So we are now at the last program of session 3. And for this one, we're going to be reversing a number of a given year with 4 digits. So let's jump right in. And we have here our main function, and we start with a couple of variables being paired. Now, all of these variables are going to be unsigned ints because we are only looking at positive values. So we're not going to be looking at any negative values, and we're limiting the program just to those positive values so that we don't get any negative numbers. So starting out, we print out a message for the user. So enter the year, and then with cin, we actually store the year that they enter into the y variable. So y will be for the year, as I mentioned. And let's just take, for example, the year 2020, a great year. And I'll take you through it using 2020 as an example. First digit, we would divide y by 1000. So 2020 by 1000. That gets us our first digit. And then we want to carry over the result of 2020 modulus 1000, which is going to get us the remainder, or in this case, 20. For the second digit, we would divide that result that we carry over by 100, which would get us 0, and then 20 modulus 100, which would still be 20. And for our third digit, we would go ahead and do 20 divided by 10. That would get us 2. And then we would update the result here doing 20 modulus 10, which would get us a remainder of 0. And for the fourth digit, we just do the latest result by 1. We would do 0 divided by 1, and that gets us the fourth digit. And we go on in that last line to just print out the, first of all, we obviously write the message the reverse number is, and then we just print them out in reverse order. So digit 4, digit 3, digit 2, and digit 1. So let's see that in action. We're getting 0, 2, 0, 2 as expected. Let's try another year. And there you go.